Hi everyone, in this video I want to show you how to modify layer symbology in QGIS, how to use the style manager and a few tips to improve the visualization of your projects. Normally in GIS, layers are ordered with points at the top, then lines, polygons and raster at the bottom. This helps avoid overlaps and ensures that all information is displayed correctly. First, we open the style manager, create a new style database and choose the folder where we want to save it. Here we will store all our custom symbols and styles for future projects. I will start with the buildings layer. Right click, properties, single symbol. I adjust the visualization the way I like. I save the symbol and then I save the style. Now I go to my contour lines layer. In this layer I have a field with elevation value. So I'm going to create a rule-based symbology to separate major, intermediate and auxiliary contours. For the major contours I define a rule where the elevation value is a multiple of 100. For the intermediate contours, I create a rule where the elevation is a multiple of 20, but not a multiple of 100. For the auxiliary contours, I define a rule for every 10 meters, excluding the ones that match the intermediate contours. I also set a scale-based visibility rules, so the contours only appear from a certain zoom level. Once this is done, I set the style and the corresponding symbols. Now I'm going to symbolize the rivers. I use categorized symbology based on a field that classifies main rivers and secondary rivers. I save the symbols and I save the style. Finally, I have a layer of elevation points. I set the symbology, I save it, and in labels, I configure the name field to appear only from a certain scale. In the layer rendering section, I adjust the general visibility so the layer appears from a certain scale. And that's it. From now on, I can apply my symbology and my styles in different projects without losing time. Hope you like it and see you in the next video.